There's a mountain at the edge of Barcelona, and its name is a promise, not a saint, not a king, a promise. Tibidabo, Latin, 2 words, I will give you. In the Gospel account of the temptation, the devil takes Christ up a very high mountain. He shows him every kingdom in the world, spread out underneath them, and he makes an offer. Haec omnia Tibidabo. All this I will give you. Just bow down. And this is the mountain they named after it. 512 meters, the highest point in Barcelona. A basilica on the summit, with a bronze Christ standing on the dome, arms open over the whole city. 100 meters from his feet, a Ferris wheel. And underneath all of it, ridge to water, everything he was offered. So how does a church end up sharing a mountaintop with a roller coaster? Centuries ago, monks took those 2 words from the Latin Bible and gave them to this hill. They weren't claiming this was that mountain. They were paying their city a compliment and issuing a quiet warning. Then the city built the answer. Work on the Temple of the Sacred Heart began in 1902. Its architect never saw it finished. His son did. 59 years between the first stone and the last. But the stranger story is the other one. In 1899, a pharmacist named Salvador Andreu bought this mountain. Not a plot of it, the mountain. He cut roads, he ran a tram, and in 1901, he opened the first funicular in Spain. Then, up here, where the devil is supposed to have said all this I will give you, Dr. Andreu built an amusement park and started selling the view, plot by plot, to anyone who could afford it. He made the same offer. He just made it in writing. It's still there. The oldest amusement park in Spain, opened in 1901, still turning, 100 meters from a bronze Christ with his arms open over the city. Then you walk to the edge, and Barcelona opens underneath you. From up here, the city stops being streets and becomes a diagram, the example, ruled out block by block like graph paper, running all the way to the water, the Sagrada Familia standing up out of it, the port, the Mediterranean going flat and silver and enormous, all the way out to nothing. And it's the scale that gets you, not the beauty, the scale. 2 million people down there, and you can hold all of them in a single look. And it's completely silent. All the kingdoms of the world, or near enough. You can drive up, but the funicular is the thing Andreu built to sell you this mountain, and it still works on you exactly the way he intended. Take it. And you don't need a park ticket to come up here at all. The Panoramic Area is free. The basilica is free to walk into. The ticket is for the rides, worth it if you've brought children. Come an hour before sunset. Not for the sunset, for the 20 minutes after it, when the temple lights come on and the city starts switching itself on underneath you. I've stood at a lot of viewpoints across Europe. This is the only one where I forgot to take the photo. That's the thing about Tibidabo. The offer never expired. Every night the lights come on, and people ride a funicular up a mountain to stand in front of a view somebody once said was worth your soul. They take the photo. They buy the ticket. They go home. And the statue stays where it is, arms open, over a city that said yes. Tibidabo, I will give you.